think you have started your journey from Himachal, then you have reached to the Opshi, then you have reached Leh, then going back to the Nubra Valley, Pangang Lake and the other destinations in and around Leh or Kargil. And now you have reached to the Srinagar, which is the paradise on earth. We have hot water springs. We have in Dal Lake the houseboats. Joginder Kumar.
Welcome to all of you to this valley. To this valley which offers love and sweet feelings to everybody.